Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll until you will find the account section. Of course, here we've got Google account, and you can add or remove a Google account using it, obviously. But to be honest, I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me tap on it and tap on Add Account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Of course, we have to pick who's going to use this device. So let's tap on the proper option. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address because after tapping on next, your device will autofill the section after the add symbol. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, here we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it and you will get all the information, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. However, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen occurring set, your device will probably ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.